and always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna be actually going into Hypedrop.com and trying some stuff out. This video is gonna be sponsored, but before we get into this video, there is a disclaimer that I do have to make. You can only go on this website if you're 18 or over. Do not go on there if you're a young kid, because you will end up doing something that you can't afford, especially if you're gonna end up using your parents' money. So make sure that you are 18 or over if you are gonna use this website. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you do want to enter in a giveaway where I'll be giving away that right there. But without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. I got the fucking flannel with the beanie on.
Count my money.
Party with bitches.
Hundreds and fifties. Big ass titties.
Count the green. Get in between
those titties. Simone, let's party.
I don't even remember how that shit go, but that shit was funny as hell. Alright, so like I said before, there is kind of a disclaimer. You guys do have to be 18 or over in order to even participate in this website. This is definitely not for anybody under that age, so that's the first thing I want to stress. Now, there are a couple features on this website that stand out compared to any other website that I've been on before. One of those being that you could actually pay with PayPal. And to me, that's major because that's one thing that a lot of these other websites don't have. PayPal is actually a secured way of paying. And it's dope that they actually were able to incorporate that into their payment system. So you could actually deposit money by buying a gift card with PayPal. So it actually does work pretty efficiently in that regard. But now let's go ahead and take a look into some of these boxes real quick. So right here at the top, we got some of the cheaper boxes. We got the ones that go for under $10. We got the Flexwear one, the gaming on a budget. There's a couple of dope ones right there. Then we got the juice box, which is a little bit on the pricier side, but as you can see, there's a lot of heat in that box. I feel like that box is dope. Let me go ahead and check it out real quick. I wonder what the least expensive item that you could get out of this is. See, what I like about this website is that the least item you could get is not a pair of socks. Like on Mystery Brand, where you could spend like $200 on a box and get a pair of socks. The least expensive thing you could get on this one is the shoulder bag from Fall Winter 18, which is still a loss. But remember, that's the cheapest one, so it's not that bad. I feel like this website is more provably fair than any other website, because I was actually looking at some of the videos of sponsored people who use this website and they actually don't get much. Like they would have 200 as a balance and they'll end up with like 90 worth of items. So that's not the case with some of the other websites. And if you think about it, that's not bad. That actually means that it's provably fair for anybody who uses it. And I do kind of like that because you could win or you could lose without it being rigged. So we do have this Hype Master box. That one's actually not bad. That one's like $95. I'm gonna go ahead and check what items they got in this one. What's the least you could get? That's mainly what I'm trying to go for here. See, this one you got a keychain in it. I wouldn't go for this one. Like some of these boxes are looking more promising than others. I feel like the Hype Shoes box is something you could always rely on. That's probably the one that I'm gonna try and go for. See, like the least you could get is a $50 Vans gift card, and this is a $80 box, so you would be losing $30. That's not too bad. Rather than spending $100 and getting a keychain, I would rather do this, you feel me? But they are gonna be bringing some new designs to the table as well, coming real soon. They're gonna change the dynamic a little bit, so that should be dope. I'm actually interested in seeing what they bring to the table. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and open some of these boxes. All right, so what I've noticed is that when you buy the small boxes, you don't really get much. So I'm gonna probably go big or go home on this one. I just don't know what I'm gonna go big on. I'm gonna go ahead and try and see what they got going on. I'm gonna try to become a hype beast and see what they're looking like in here. See, this is not for me. I'm not getting no socks, bro. I'd rather get a $50 gift card than some socks, to be honest. Yo, if I get some batteries, I'd be tight, bro. All right, so I'm gonna start with this $80 Hype Shoes box. Hopefully we get something good. I'm gonna purchase it right now. So let's go ahead and see what we get into. Ooh, it just charged me $80. Let's try a preview real quick. What I like is that you can actually preview and see what you would get. Let's see how our luck is looking like right now. Bruh, low key, I wouldn't even be mad at those Vans. Like, I would keep them shits. But let's go ahead and actually open the box right now. Let's see, bro. Yo. I got the $50 gift card. I'm honestly not even tripping. I might go ahead and open another one. Yo, fuck it. Let's go balls to the wall. Open another one real quick. I got $40 left. Oh my God. All right, we just gonna open this real quick. Let's see what we get, bro. Oh, nah. Oh shit, I got some slides. I'm gonna sell the slides. They're only 66 bucks. Should I do that? Yeah, bro, I'm selling the slides. They're $66. So now I got 100. I'm gonna open another one of these and see what we get this time. Yeah. Damn, bruh. Alright, so we just got 2 gift cards. Even if you don't get the best items, you could exchange whatever you get and pick something out that you really like. And that's a dope feature in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to those real quick and see what other box. I'm gonna go for this Nintendo box. Let's see what we get from here. Open this beach. Bruh, how? What the fuck? Alright, so I think I'm gonna just hold off to that. Let's see what we could actually exchange this for real quick. So I honestly don't even know how it works yet. I'm gonna probably come back when I figure it out. I'll be right back, bruh. So basically, once you're done shopping, you go to the exchange tab, and right there you'll see what you've won so far. If you click all of these, it'll tell you how much you have at the top. So right now I have 116 bucks, and I can actually go ahead and exchange these items for something that I would actually wear. So I don't know, let me look up like Supreme, right? What they got from Supreme. Obviously not high to low because that's like 10,000 beans. I'm not about to get no stickers. Oh, it's kind of steep up in here, bro. Alright, so I thought they didn't have shit for me to get, but I actually looked it up wrong. So now I'm in the streetwear tab and I'm scrolling up to see what I actually want to get. All I see so far is beanies and shit like that. Alright, we're getting into the Supreme tees right now. I'm gonna try to get one that's close to how much I got, simply cause, you feel me? I ain't trying to leave no fundage in the account type shit. I looked at a couple tees. I might get a bottle cap tee or the payphone tee. That's what I'm looking at so far, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what else they got up in here. Let's go to sneakers. Obviously I don't even got that much money, so I already expected this. So right now it's out of 2 options. I'm gonna either get the Supreme headband or I'm gonna get the liquid swords tee. I feel like I don't have to take you through this specific process because I'm only doing this because I have to add like $10 or some shit like that. But that pretty much does it for this video. Like I said at the beginning, make sure you use this website if you are 18 or over. I'm gonna leave the link at the top of the description for you guys to go ahead and check out the website. In my opinion, it's pretty legit. Like, I actually like their system. I like the way that it's set up. Everything on here is official, you feel me? So I actually do rock with it. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Make sure y'all leave a like on it. Subscribe down below. Go ahead and check the website out. And click the Gleam link in the description if you want to enter in a giveaway. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Peace. Stay up. And I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.